So we had a test on this Sunday, and the paper was on pair of linear equations in two variable. Hope you are aware of that. So that question paper I'm going to discuss today. Okay, so let's have a look at that. So try to listen the class carefully, Harshil, and if you don't find anything,
Okay,
you
sir.
just ask me immediately. Okay, and you can just find my number in WhatsApp group as well. If at all you don't find any answer, if at all you just get stuck somewhere, if you don't find any video lectures, if you don't find any class notes, you may just text me at any time. I'll reply. If I'm not replying in the time which you want, then you can just contact Sirisha ma'am. Hope you're aware of who is Sirisha ma'am. She's the coordinator. She'll handle all this stuff. If you have any doubts in the regard of uh, getting the videos, getting the notes, any technical issue I'm talking about. If you find any technical issue, you may just contact her. Okay, clear? Yes.
Okay, sir.
So let's get started now. Hope you all can see the screen here, and many people are late to the class actually. Yes. So here the question is, if x plus y by 2 is equal to 5, and x plus 2 plus y is equal to 11 by 2, then what is x and y value? Very simple question. Hashvik, what is your name? What is your name?
Harshal.
Harshil. Okay. Okay, Harshil. Can you please tell me, Harshil, how can we solve this question? Are you aware of this type of questions? Have you ever solved this type of
No,
questions?
sir. I actually forgot it because so
Okay. Okay, you forgot it. Fine. So let me help you throughout this. So x plus y by 2. How many have you done this question, people? So I need a response from every one of you. Just make it fast. See, I should see the chart box. I should see the chart
So,
box. Chart box. Response. See, and I'm submitting the names. I'm submitting the name list every month, guys. So last month I just gave couple of names, those who are shy in the class, those who are weak in the class, those who are not responding in fact in the class. So their names I have submitted to the management, so which means they'll be taking an action on that. So you have to respond in the class. When I'm asking something to you, at least put a message in the chat box if you are not able to respond. So I have done this question. Great. I should see like very less number of the students are responding in the class. Others are like, I don't know whether they are feeling shy. Even I call, they are not responding. Please don't do that. Great. So you have done this question, right? Very simple question. Look at this here. X plus, let me write, x plus y by 2 is equal to 5. X by 2 plus y is equal to 11 by 2. So basically how I do this, first of all, let us solve this equation. Here I'll be getting 2x plus y is equal to 10. And here what you're going to get, x plus 2y is equal to 11 by 2 divided by 2. All right. So 2 I can cancel on either of the sides. So 2x plus y is equal to 10, and here x plus 2y is equal to 11. So these are the two equations I left with, right? So now let us consider this equation as the first one and this as the second one. Solving 1 and 2 now. Solving 1 and 2, what I'm going to get now? See, a coefficient of, in the first equation, coefficient of x is 2. In the second equation, coefficient of x is 1. So to get rid of that particular x, to get rid of the particular value called y, what we have to do? For finding y, we need to solve this. We need to solve this. How can we
we
solve
need
this?
to multiply the second equation with 2.
Exactly. Or else you do one thing. First equation you multiply with the 2, so that you can
Why? We
just,
can
yes,
calculate
you
why.
can do anyway. You can do in either ways. So first of all, look at this here. Let me write first equation as it is. So second equation I'm multiplying with the 2 beta. Look at this, multiplying with the 2 on both sides. Clear? So if I multiply with the 2 on both sides, what is going to happen now? 2x plus 4y is equal to 22. Right now, what I have to do for finding the y value, I have to just subtract that. Clear? So subtract. So when you subtract, symbols will get changed. So these two terms will be getting cancelled. So here minus 3y minus 12. So minus will be getting cancelled. Y value is what? Beta 4. Y value is 4. Now if you are smart, you will not be finding the x value here. Look at the options. Y is equal to 4 is available in only one option, which is B option. So need not to find out the x value now. All right, you can save your time here. Are you people able to understand here?
Yes, sir. If we find y value, then we
Yes,
don't
y
have to
value.
find.
Yes, you don't have to find out x value. Okay, if you find x value first of all, then you would have find out you would have found y value as well. Why? Because look at this here, x values are matching in option B and D. So if you find x value 3, then I have to find out y value as well for finding the complete answer. If you find out the y value here, need not to find out x value. So without even finding the x value, you can just tick option. You can just consider option B. Correct? Yes. So very simple. Let me go for the next question. I'll be clearing this screen now. So those who are copying, please do copy simultaneously. I'll not give extra time. So if you are if you are not able to finish in time, you may watch this recording again. You can just go through this notes. Okay. So I'll be clearing this. Shall I clear and go for the next one? Shall I? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Yes, sir.
So similarly, the second one, similarly, there is nothing changed at all. The procedure is going to be the same for the second question as well. So second question is homework for you all. Second question, homework in the sense, I hope you will solve that. Even you made a mistake in the exam, you got a procedure now. You got the procedure. Correct? The same way you have to do. Same way you have to do. Taking LCM, cross multiplication, and just shifting all the shifting the all terms one side. Finding unknown, which are x and y. We are finding that. Very simple. Third question, let me go through. How many have you done this? A earns 20% more than B, but spends 20% less than B. A saves 960 rupees and B saves 200 rupees. Their incomes are what? What is the answer? And how did you guys solve this type of question?
Sir, I got the answer.
Actually, for scrolling here and there, it is difficult. So let me open the question paper in mobile. Yeah, tell me.
I have done.
Yes, those. How many have you done, guys, and how many of you haven't?
Sir, I got the answer.
Yeah, I haven't done this.
I got the answer.
So I have done.
No, chat box. Put a message in the chat box. No, you just put a message you put a thumbs up. You put an emoji called thumbs up, a symbol called thumbs up. So that great. Kavya, very good. Saranya, good. Vivek, okay, Vivek, no problem. Yukta, good. Someone of you are texting me. Are you guys facing any issues to join the class? Very good, Shreyan. Very good, Aditi. I raised. Very good, Charan. Ujjwal, no. Great. I could see many responses. Okay. So A earns 20% more than B. So how can I write this equation? Look at this. I'll do one thing. I'm not able to see the screen. Yeah. Which question is the third one, right? Yeah. Option A. How many have you got option A? How many have you got option A?
I thought so.
Good. Yes. Common sense. Very good. I am happy with your response. So look at this here. A earns 20% more than means if B is 200 beta, then A is going to be what? 120 rupees. Correct?
Yes.
Understood my point. If if B is 100 rupees, A will be what? 120 rupees. Why? Because A earns 20% more than B. Okay. So but spends 20% less than B. Then how can I write this?
If B earns 50, if B spends 50, then A spends 50 minus 20 by 100.
Someone was speaking. Who's that?
So, Saranya.
Yes, Saranya. Tell me, Saranya.
Sir, it's like if B spends 100 rupees, then A spends 100 minus 100 into 20 by 100 into 20 by 100. So 100 minus 20 is 80.
Yes. How many of you did in the same way? How many of you did in the same way?
So I have done in the similar way.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, but spends 20% less than B. Look at this. So, then how can I say 100 minus 20? 100 minus 20, which gives me what? Income of B is what? Income of A is what then? What is income of?
B plus 20.
Sorry.
B plus 20, sir.
Yes.
Income of A.
Let me write IA. So which means 120. Correct. So who is joining in between here? Who is this? I think I'm getting so many messages from yours. It is a disturbance. 1 second. One second, guys. Be in line. 1 second. 1 second. I think there is some issue with these people. Nitya, why are you late?
Sir, I had a net issue, sir. There was no power here near my house.
Okay. Look at this here. Question given here is A earns 20% more than B, but spends 20% less than B. Now, if I take beta income of B is X and expenditure of income of B, I'm taking it X, expenditure of B is equal to Y. People are, see, it's a disturbance, man. You're joining in between. Yeah, correct. So what is income of A now? What is the question given? Income of A is what? 20% more than what? So it will be X plus 20% means 20 by 100 of X. Correct? So which means X plus 1.2 times of X. Correct? So what is expenditure of A now? Income of B, expenditure of B. Income of A, expenditure of B. Expenditure of B, sorry, A. What is the expenditure of B? What is expenditure of A now? A earns 20. So spends 20% less than B. 20% less than B means B's expenditure is Y. X in, so 20 by 100 is nothing but 1.2. Correct? 1 by 2. 1.2 into Y, which is gives me 0.8 Y. Am I right? All right.
0.2, right?
Sorry.
So it's 0.2.
Yes. Sorry. 0.2. It means, yeah, 0.2 means, yeah, correct. 0.2. Yes, 0.8. Correct only. So now, as per the question, what? A saves 960, B saves this much. Someone is texting me in WhatsApp. Who is that? I don't know. I don't have save, I didn't save your number and just you guys are texting me. I don't know. Okay, so A saves 960, B saves 200. Okay, A saves 960, right? So can I write now 1.2 times of x minus 0.8 times of, so this is also 0.2 beta here, which gives me what, 1.2x. So 1.2 times of x minus 0.8 times of x is equal to how much beta? 960. Correct? 960. A
Yes.
saves this much. A saving. Saving is nothing but what beta? Income minus expenditure is saving. Correct? Whatever is your income minus your expenditure is what? Savings. Right beta? So this is what you get. So what if you take, if I take, what should I take common now? X minus y is equal to, x minus y is equal to what? Let me do one thing. So 12 by 10 of x minus 8 by 10 of y is equal to 960, right? So you can just do one thing here. So 12x minus 8y is equal to 9600, correct? So what can I take? 8, can I take 8 common? Or can I do one thing? Can we do one thing? Can we take 4 common?
Yes, sir. 3x
Here,
minus
2y
2y.
is equal to, here 4 means 2400. 4 will get cancelled. So 3x minus 2y is equal to 2400 I got. Correct beta? So this is what I got. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah. So now again what, B saving, how much? B saving
200.
200. So I'm talking about B now. X minus y. I'm talking about B beta. I'm talking about A here. A saving and B saving. X minus y, right? Income minus expenditure is 200. So now what I do beta here? Let us take this as first equation, second equation. Solving 1 and 2. If I solve 1 and 2, what I'm going to get? Now what I do here is, let me clear this screen beta. Or else, shall I clear this screen? See why I'm solving here itself. Why I'm solving on the screen itself? So that it will be easy to tally the question and answer. Is it clear? All right.
Yes.
So that's it. We need to find out incomes, right? We need to find out income. So we need to find out x and y values. That's it. We need to find out x value. If you find out x value beta, we will be finding income of B. And that if x if I substitute it here, I'll get income of A. Very simple. Clear? So let me write somewhere here top. So solving, one second, this is first, this is second. So second equation, what I'm doing beta, I'm just multiplying it with 3. Okay, so that what you are going to get, Harshil, are you able to understand? Harshil, 3x minus 2y
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to 2400. If you don't find anything, you just ask me immediately. 3x minus 3y is equal to 600. Okay people, so now subtracting these two, so these two will be getting cancelled. So here plus, right? So y is equal 1800, right? Y value is 1800 beta. So y value is 1800 means what is x value now? What is x value?
2000.
Yeah, x value is 2000. Substitute somewhere, you will be getting x value. So expenditure, I mean income of B is 2000. Which option is available? Option A is correct. Need not to check on another. Understood my point? He is asking income of A and B. All right, income of A and B. Income of A is 2400 and income of B we got 2000. Nowhere 2000 is available. In none of the options 2000 is available. The 2000 available option only is option A. That is going to be your option final answer. Clear? All right, people.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Very simple thing. So let me clear the screen and let's go for the next question. Very good question. This type of question I deliberately given actually. Okay. Now everyone look at the question. The present ages of a man is equal to sum of their ages of his 5 children. Okay. 12 years hence. 12 hence is nothing but what?
After 12 years.
After 12 years, the sum of their ages of the children is children will be twice the age of their father. The present age of the father is what? Present age of a man is equal to sum of the ages of his 5 children. How can we solve this?
Let the age of the man be X.
Sorry?
We should take the age of the man as X.
Okay, let me see who is. Yes, yes, yes. Now you tell me.
So we should take the age of the man as X.
Very good, Ujjwal. Please, 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 you carry on.
And we should take the sum of the ages of the children as Y.
Okay. Make it fast, make it fast, make it fast, quick, quick. See, very simple. Look at it, sir. The present age of the man is equal to present age of man. I don't know. Okay. Man is not the, who is the man here? Father, right? So man, present age of man is equal to X. Is equal to sum of the ages of his children. Sum of ages of his children is what? Sum of ages of 5 children, which is also X, right? Both are equal, means you take, you can take X or you can take anything Y. 12-year hence, I mean after 12 years, what is going to happen? Sum of the ages of the children, which is nothing but X plus 12. Am I right? Sum of sum of the ages of 5 children is X. After 12-year hence is nothing but X plus 12. Okay.
So it will be 12 into 5, sir, because there are 5 children.
So 12-year hence, the sum of the ages of the children will be twice the age of their father. Then present age is what? So find out the X value. 36. How many have you got? How many have you got? 36?
Sir, it will be 12 plus 60, sir. With X plus 12 into 5.
Sorry?
It will be X plus 12 into 5, sir.
12-year hence, where is that? I didn't. Acha, you are saying 5x. 5 children. So X plus 5 into 12.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Why? Because 5 children are there, so 12, 12, 12, 60. Yes. So let me write this. Ayo, 1 second. So X plus 5 times of 12, which is equal to twice the age of their father. Twice the age of their father is what? Twice the age of X plus 12. Correct? Understood my point?
Yes.
Understood? Why we wrote like this? Twice the age of father after 12 years. So X plus 12. Okay, people, finding X value from this. So X plus 60 is equal to X plus 24. So X value is going to be what now? 36 directly. Option A is correct. Correct?
Yes.
So he has given something big. Oh my God. Something big answer here. So if you want to go through that, you can go through that. If not, you can just follow simple this the way what I taught. Correct? Shall I go for the next question? Guys, why we wrote 5 into 12? Understood here. After 12 years, 5 children's age we are counting. So each children will be like, so total 5, right? So 5 into 12. 5 into 12. That is how I wrote. He's asking what sum of their ages. So X plus 5 into 12 is equal to twice the age of their father. So twice the age of X plus 12. Next question. It is very simple question. Look at it, P plus Q is equal to 1 and the ordered pair P comma Q satisfies this one, and then it also satisfies what? checking the option, that's it. P plus Q is equal to 1, and the ordered pair is what? P comma Q satisfy this one. Then is also satisfies what? Look at this here. Let me tell you guys one thing. How many have to solve this question in the easiest way? Hello. So what could be the P and Q value? Tell me. Hello.
2n minus 1.
2n minus 1. So which satisfies? Look at this here. If I take P value is 2, Q value is minus 1. Okay, 2 minus 1, 1. So P plus Q also what? 1. So 2 into 3 into 2 plus 2 into, so 2 and minus 1. Okay, 2 and minus 1. This also satisfies what? Oh my god, 1 second. Someone is... Okay, Ritvik, no problem.
Sadly, minus 1, 2, sir.
Yes, it's minus 1.
Minus 1, 2.
2 minus 1, which is 1. So
It's
minus 2,
minus
yeah.
1 and 2,
You
sir.
have to take cases. Take the cases. What are the possible cases? One is 2. Yeah, if I take P value as 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, this is one case, but we will be rating the possible cases. What is another case?
Minus 1 and 2, sir.
Minus 1 and 2, great.
That is the answer.
There is that. Let me clear and right here. Look at this. So P plus Q is equal to 1 given to you, and he has given this will be satisfying to this. If I take 2 comma 1 or minus 1 comma, so 2 comma minus 1 minus 1 comma 2, correct? So now this pair satisfies to this, which is nothing but what? Which means P comma Q is a solution of that one, which means can I write 3P plus 2Q is equal to 1? So if I take the cases 2 comma minus 1 minus 1 comma 2, correct? Possible ordered pairs. All right, beta.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now look at this here, and we will do one thing now. This is my, one second, let me erase this. It is disturbing here. This is my first one. This is my second one. So how can I solve this two? By multiplying 3.
Yes.
Becomes 3. So 3P minus 3P will be getting cancelled. 3Q minus 2Q. 1Q is equal to Q value is 2. What is P value now? 1.
Minus 1.
2 P plus 2. P plus 2 is equal to 3. Or else you just solve like this. 1 second. 3P plus 4 is equal to 1. 3P is equal to minus 3. P value is minus 1. Okay. All right. Now tell me, if I take this beta, now 3x 4y is equal to 5. It is also satisfying me. 3P plus 4 2 is equal to 5. So whether it is satisfying here, 6 minus 4 is equal to 5. Sorry, 1 second. I substituted reverse. 3 into minus 3 beta plus 8 is equal to 5. 5 is equal to 5. Correct? Understood? Which equation? Now option A is satisfying. Option B, check kar lo option B. This is option A. Option B. Here x means P, y means Q. Since P comma Q satisfies the equation, that is what he has given, right? So substitute one by one. So minus 5 plus 8. No, option B is not possible. C is also not possible. Option E is the right answer. Check. This is the quickest way to do with. This is the quickest way to go with. Clear? Need not to write everything in a neatest manner, boys and girls.
Yes.
I solved the option A. Option A luckily is matching. So it does not mean that you have to you shouldn't check other options. You must check other options as well. But yeah, in worst case that might go wrong. But yeah, option A we got correct. If they was satisfying, then I'll be putting option A. I'll not check further. But yeah, better to check. It takes hardly like 5 seconds, right? Just mind calculation. Yes, minus 5 in the B B option minus 5 plus 8. How much here? 3. 3 can't be equal to 4. Direct mind calculation here. Correct? You can do very easily, guys, without even putting the pen on the paper. You can just solve this. Okay, next question. Guys, I'm taking every question with time. Why? Because this is the first test you have written on the pair of linear equations. So for the next time, I'll be going somewhat fast. Hope everyone is getting clarity on the questions which we have given in the exam. All right, next question. Shall we go for the next one? Yes. Now, how simple it is. Now we have to find out the value of z. Where do we have z here?
Sir, the second x should be z, sir.
This should be z actually, right? X is equal to y, which means 1 second. We'll do one thing. X is equal to y, right? X is equal to y is nothing but here 3y. Substituting y x value as y minus y is equal to 4. 2y is equal to 4. Then y value is going to be 2. Correct? Y is equal to 2. So x is also be 2 now. Why? Because x is equal to y, right? X is also 2 now. So 2 plus z is equal to 6. Z is equal to 2. Option B is correct. Correct? Understood, guys? Here it should have been z, not x. All right? Guys, any doubts? It was very easy question. Now look at this here. This has infinite number of solutions. Infinite number of solutions is nothing but I told you a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Let me make you feel, guys, when two lines, look at it, a1x plus b1y plus c is equal to 0. All right, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These two equations, these two are what? Line equations, beta, which are representing a plane. These are two plane equations. These two lines are representing plane equations. Okay, straight lines. So now when these two lines are parallel like this, they are not meeting anywhere. So you will be having no solution. What was the condition for no solution, beta? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, which is not equal to c1 by c2. This was the condition for no solution. Am I right? Now what was the second case? If two lines are intersecting at one point like this, if two lines are intersecting is nothing but they will be having one solution, right? So that case, you say this is intersecting. If they give you in two lines are intersecting, what is the condition for this? a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Correct? Now what is the third case? If one line is overlapping another line like this, so then what will be the case, beta? So you will be having infinite number of
a1 by
points
a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2.
So what is this? Infinite number of solutions. What is the condition for this? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. This is the condition. I just recalled you once. Okay, people. So here he has given the condition. I mean, he has given, what is the condition given? Infinite number of solutions. So now if I compare these two line equations with these two line equations, my answer done, my job done. Correct? Now look at this here. Let me, here a1 is what, beta? 2. What is b1 here? 3. What is c1 here? Minus 5. Okay, b1 is what? 4. b2 is what? K. c2 is what? Minus 10. So here a1 by a2, right? So 2 and so here a2, beta, I wrote wrong. Here a2, right? A2. Okay, so 2 by 4, 3 by k, minus 5 by minus 10. So now check everywhere. What is k value is going to be? K value is going to be what? Look at this here. Now if I compare these two beta, or you can compare these two. For finding k value, you can just equate any two equations, correct? So if I equate the first circle, what I'm going to get now? So 2k is equal to 12. K value is 6. Cross
Yes.
multiplication, correct? But
Yes.
this into this is equal to this into this. I got k value as 6, which is available in option D, right? But with the clarity, everything we have a very clear information here. Very simple question it was, right? If you revise your notes, I already been told you that you have to revise your notes for solving the questions properly. Those who have not revised your class notes, they might not have done this question correctly. Am I right? Next question. See, like simultaneously, I revised the concept as well, guys. So this was the concept. Believe me, this full concept again you will be getting in JEE class 12 for the lesson called determinants. There will be a lesson called matrices and determinants. In determinants lesson, again you will be getting the same concept. Yes, same concept you will be revising. Without understanding this, you will not understand that. So make sure that you all are having a proper idea here. See, solution means what, beta? When two lines are intersecting at one point. See, I would not prefer you guys to just discuss the questions and just leave it. We have to understand the story behind that. What is the story behind that? Look at it, when two lines are intersecting, these two lines are intersecting at one point is nothing but they are having one common point here. That point is equal to that solution. All right, that is what the solution. Getting my point? All right, these two lines are not intersecting. They never intersect. Why? Because they are parallel. They are always parallel. This line goes like this, the second line goes like this. Are they meeting anywhere? Like train tracks, they never meet. Sir, why don't train tracks meet each other? They meet. We'll be having crossing in between, they'll be having like crossing in between, so they're meeting, right? Don't say that, beta. I'm talking about parallel lines. Parallel line never meet each other. If two lines are not meeting each other, which means they will not be having any kind of solution. So no solution I'm talking here, correct? I'm saying no solution when two lines are parallel. When two lines are perpendicular, I mean, what do you call that? Intersect each other, they'll be having one solution. So you say this as intersecting, right? Intersecting means they will be having unique solution. Here no solution, here unique solution, here infinitely many solution. Unique solution means one solution. Here they are intersecting at one point, which means one solution. Here they are intersecting, overlapping on each other means one line on another line, which means they are intersecting in many places, which means you will be having infinitely number of solutions. Hope you are getting my point. So once you come to the class 12th, I'll make you guys to visualize what exactly I'm talking about. I'll show the figures and I'll make you guys to visualize how we are getting no solution, how they are getting infinity number of solutions, how we are getting unique solution. Why do we are saying that? Yes, almost like 90% I taught you with the proof and everything, but yes, by diagram you can visualize that. Just we'll do that bit later. Now we'll move forward for the 8th question. Okay, shall we go for the 8th question, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Anyone of you are feeling bored by discussing the concept? Yes, those who are new students, for them also we have to consider, and yes, we have to consider them also and just teach, right? So that is the reason I just had to revise once again. Okay, those who have not revised, for them also it is useful, guys. Don't think that it is not useful. Already we know everything. Don't think that you know everything. Okay, nothing wrong if you are revising once again. Okay, so graph, what is the question? The graphs of this at x is equal to and y is equal to 3 intersect. What is that, beta? The graphs of this and this, x is equal to 2, y is intersect in what? Beta, x is equal to 2 means x minus 2 is equal to 0, one equation. Y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 equation. So what is the graph of this? So you have to draw the graph of this and just check whether they are intersecting at how many, at how many points they are intersecting each other. Is it clear how to draw the graph of this, beta? So first of all, look at this here. I have to draw a box. Okay, x. This is y. Okay. So what is the equation here? 2x is equal. I will do one thing. So now 2x is equal to minus 3y minus plus 6, right? Or else we will find out y value. What is y value from this, beta?
Sir,
Y, what is y value? 6 minus 2x, right? By 3. Okay. Yes, tell me.
sir, can't we directly do like 2 by 4, 3 by 3, and 6 by 6, because A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So it is.
Intersecting, exactly. That is also right, beta. That is also right. That is also right. Absolutely. Look at this here. Very, very good. See, intersect. The intersect means what? Unique solution. I just know I told without using all that, but the story behind that I'm talking here. Intersects is nothing but just know I told. Intersect is nothing but unique solution. How many points they're intersecting? 1 point. Absolutely. Answer 1. But if you want to visualize by doing graph, you may draw the graph and just check whether they are really doing it, intersecting at 1 point or not. Hope you know how to draw the graph. First of all, we need to take x value, y values, take any random values, draw on the graph line, just plot this. This is disturbance. Many people are joining in between. Understood my point? Yes, whatever Saranya said, that is also absolutely right. Within millisecond, you can do that. But apart from that, beyond story, I'm talking about Saranya. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Understood. How to draw, guys? Look at this here. If you know that, let us not do that. If you do not know, if you want me to teach, we'll teach it. I'll teach you. And like if you want to solve this question, you just take a graph paper and take some random values of x. What is y value here now? What is y value here? 6 minus 2x by 3. If you take x value 0, what is y value, beta? 2. If you take x value 1, what is y value? So 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is nothing but 1 point something, 3 something like that. You have to plot and just check whether they are intersecting at 1 point or not. If you just solve it properly, definitely they'll be intersecting at 1 point. Okay, hope you got the concept. Next. In covering a distance of 30 kilometers, Amit take 2 hours more than Suresh. Okay. If Amit doubles his speed, he would take 1 hour less than Suresh. What is Amit's speed? Tell me. Speed is asked. Distance 30, time 2 hours. Tell me. What is the speed?
Distance by time.
Yes.
30 by 2, that is 50.
You know this concept, right? DST. DST. And let me tell you a shortcut. Look at this here. Distance is nothing but what, beta? Distance is nothing but 1 second. D by T here. I wrote what D by S. 1 second. D by T, right? Now D means S into T. T means this one. D by S. Okay. Are you guys able to understand what I'm trying to convey? Okay. Now T means D. S means what is S? S means D by T. Look at this here. D means making a subject of that, and this into this. If I ask you to T, D by S. If I ask you D, S into T. If I ask you T, D by S. All right. If you remember the triangle, then it is very easy. Or else you can just do whatever the thing you want. Understood how I drawn, beta? DST. DST. Distance means speed into time. Now time is nothing but what now here? This by this. Okay. If I ask you speed, this by this. Clear? Got it? Any doubts?
Yes, sir.
Now this question can be done in what way? Very simple. Look at this here. No one is responding. No problem. Let me tell you. covering distance more than Suresh. So Amit doubles his speed. Okay. Amit doubles his speed. Amit take 2 hours. Amit take 2 hours more than Suresh. So if Amit doubles his speed, okay. Okay, at least for this. Yes, yes. Amit doubles his speed. He would take 1 hour less than Suresh. What is Amit's speed? Yes, tell me. What is Amit's speed? Let's Amit's speed. I don't know. Let's take it as x beta. Speed will be in
I
kilometers.
solved this question with quadratic equation, sir.
Yeah. So look
Like
at this.
stream question.
Yeah. So what is this covering distance 30 kilometer, right? Speed is nothing but what beta? Distance by time.
By time.
Okay. So now we'll do one thing. He has what takes 2 hours. Amit take 2 hours. Amit take 2 hours. So 30 kilometers what beta? X minus 30 by 2x, which is equal to how much beta? So why did I write x here and why did I write 2x? Tell me.
Because Amit take 2 hours more than Suresh.
अरे please come on. हाँ वो जो करो. हाँ अरे वो आप क्लास लो ना. क्लास लो ना. हाँ सर. Sorry guys, ये छोटू. हाँ. You can solve in simplest way. Someone of you have solved like quadratic equation, something is saying. So look at this, Babu. Distance by. So let me say. Let me write in a short language and finish it up. AS. What is AS? Let us say the speed of Amit. Okay. X and speed of Suresh. Okay. So this is 30 by X. Okay. Amit speed. So 30 by X. If I talk about Suresh, 30 by Y is equal to what? 2. Okay. Why? Because Amit take 2 hours more than Suresh, right? Amit take 2 hours more than Suresh. So if you just consider that statement, I can write like this. Now this can be written as what now? Can I just take it as 30 common here? 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 2. 2 ones 2 15s. 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 15. So let me take it as star equation. So now Amit doubles his speed. He would take 1 hour less than Suresh. Right? So 30 by y minus 30 by 2x is equal to 1 hour. 1 hour less than. Understood my point? If I consider this statement, I can write like this. Clear? How I wrote this statement, guys? 1 hour less than he would take. If Amit doubles his speed, let me show you. If Amit doubles his speed, he would take 1 hour less than. So if I can write like this, right? I can write like this, right? Minus 1 is equal to 30 by 2x. If Amit doubles his speed, he would take 1 hour less than Suresh. Understood my point? Hope you are getting my point. I'm writing the formula again. So directly I'm writing equation. So what you are going to get better now? Tell me here. So again 30 common. So 1 by y minus. Oh. So we will do one thing. We will solve like this. We have minus, right? Hmm. 30 common. 1 by y minus 1 by 2x is equal to 1. So 1 by y minus 1 by 2x is equal to 1 by 30. Let us take this as hashtag equation. Solving star and hashtag. Now what you're going to get, better tell me? Solving star and hashtag. Star and hashtag. What you're going to get? 1 by x is nothing but, or else if you want to simplify this, simplify y minus x by xy is equal to 1 by 15. So 15y minus 15x is equal to xy. Okay. So from star equation I just simplified, or else you just give a different names. After simplifying them, you just give that 2x minus y by 2xy is equal to 1 by 30. Okay. So 60x minus 30y is equal to 2xy. All right, people. So now this is my first, this is my second. Let us not give star and hashtag. Okay. So 1 and 2, solving 1 and 2, you will be getting what, beta? That's it. You will be getting x value and y values. Understood my point? Are you guys able to catch the point what I'm trying to say? Hello? Guys, how did you understand how I solve this equation here?
So you
Hello?
are making a pair of two linear equations.
Yes, we
Pair of
solved
linear.
that. Yes, pair of linear equation. That's it. So this is what, if I simplify, if I solve these two equations better, how can I solve this? Here 15x I have, here 60 I have. So first equation I need to multiply with 4. I need to multiply with 4 on both sides so that it will be tallying. Correct? What you do? 4, so 60y minus 60x is equal to 4xy. So minus 30y plus 60x is equal to 2xy. Simplifying this, adding these two, how much you get, beta? So 30y 0 is equal to 6xy. Correct? Y will be getting cancelled. X value is 5 beta directly. Khatam. X value is 5. So what we need here? Amit speed we need. Amit speed was what, beta? So answer is what? 5.
5 kilometers per hour.
Everything detailedly I have gone through. Detailedly. So if you want to solve in any other method, you can solve it. But detailedly, I just wanted to explain. That is the reason I just gone through beta. So let me finish here itself. So no problem. We will go each and every question thoroughly, neatly. We will solve and we'll go. I have class right now, beta. It's already late 4 minutes. So no problem. So you just copy this if you want. If you want to take a snap, you can take. And next question onwards, we will be solving. Close that, man. Close it. Are you close? Band karo usko. Yes. So we will just meet in the next class, children. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Good night.
Thank
Bye,
you.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.